Crypto.com coin is currently the 13th biggest crypto money with a market cap of $24 billion. Following its colossally fruitful bull run, financial backers are currently requesting what could occur close to the cost from Crypto.com calling. The cost of unrefined expanded 350% in November 20, 2021, profiting from expanded interest in gaming and metaverse crypto projects along these lines to the focal and the sandbox, as revealed by the Cointelegraph CSU objective. This intriguing gaming cryptos was started when Facebook declared that it will rebrand as Meta and spotlight on building the metaverse. Welcome viewers to Pianta Crypto. Here we bring you the latest updates on cryptocurrencies. Please hit the subscription button, like my video and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next update. After an extraordinarily bullish presentation towards the finish of 2021, what's next at the cost of CRO? Would it be able to proceed with its noteworthy run, or will it run out of steam? How about we investigate what specialists are expecting Crypto.com coin as the mysterious money of Crypto.com fire-up established in 2016. Engineers offer market members specialized answers for purchasing and selling crypto resources, just as working out them in regular daily existence. Notwithstanding Crypto.com hit the beginning up as another token MCO, it took part in the beginning up symbolic deal in 2017, during which the venture raised $26 million. MCO is associated with tackling some specialized issues other than MCO. Cryptocurrency holders get a few advantages and limits. The primary objective of the task is to incorporate blockchain into all circles of life and make mysterious cash similar famous method for installment as government-issued currency. The stage incorporates a wide scope of administrations for working with mysterious cash and installment framework, a cryptocurrency wallet, a Visa bank card, and application in return for exchanging decentralized monetary administrations. Reptile advances and stores. One of the most notable items as the plastic card, which permits you to spend cryptocurrency any place without high charges and long handling times. It is acknowledged any place. Visa cards are acknowledged in excess of 50 million retail outlets all throughout the planet. The utilization of the card gives extra advantages to its holders. By paying for buys with a quantity, OK clients get up to 5% cash back from card exchanges, just as acquiring on the financing cost on reserves frozen for a very long time. Proprietors of more than 100,000 CROs get rewards and rewards. Another Crypto.com trade is a stage for exchanging crypto monetary forms that gives profound liquidity and moderate costs for request execution. It has an adaptable and versatile framework for organizations. Expert token marking brings the yield of up to 20% for each annum, just as limits on commissions for putting orders. The Crypto.com stage incorporate token are sought after because of the wide scope of present-day monetary administrations, including those dependent on the standards of DeFi. Other than being only a helpful apparatus for putting away and utilizing cryptocurrency, it likewise gives numerous choices to extra pay. The quick plans of the task force to extend the effective reach of bank cards, add edge exchanging, OTC exchanging, and a unified credits. Crypto.com value history. The Crypto.com coin was dispatched in November 12/20/18. Not at all like most crypto monetary standards, CRO didn't show any precarious value climb after its initiation. Rather, it somewhat vacillated around its underlying cost of 1 penny. The initial 2 months of 2019 were not great, since the CRO value dips under its underlying worth. At the time, numerous financial backers were critical with regards to the eventual fate of this coin. Things began to improve in March 20, 2019, when CRO arrived at a cost of 10 cents on March 14, 2019. Sadly, the value dropped to 40 cents by March 31, 2019. Anyway, for the following 3 months the CRO cost stayed over the 50 cents mark. On July 10, 2019, CRO arrived at a cost of 10 cents. The rough cost showed a descending pattern for the rest of 2019, shutting at 30 cents by December 31, 2019. During the initial 2 months of 2020, CRO showed a fleeting vertical pattern. The cost of this coin came to 60 cents on February 13, 2020. The cost dropped and didn't arrive at a comparative worth until May 17, 2020, when CRO was exchanged at 60 cents. The unrefined cost started a vertical pattern that took this going to 17 cents on August 31, 2020. From that point the CRO value declined continuously to close the year at 50 cents by December 31, 2020. January 20, 2021 was uninteresting for CRO. There were minor changes somewhere in the range of 60 cents and 80 cents. Then, at that point, abruptly the CRO value soared to 22 cents on February 21, 2021. Albeit the cost before long dropped again, this coin saved its incentive for the following 2 months. It came to 24 cents on April 4, 2021. On the other hand, the CRO cost showed a progressive descending pattern. It lined at 80 cents on June 21, 2021. The following day another convention started that set an unsurpassed high on November 4, 2021 when CRO calling was valued at 29 cents. CRO value expectation 2021. With a strong beginning from the start of 2021, the CRO cost flooded by an excess of 250%, skipping from the 60 cents to another unsurpassed high of 27 cents by mid-April. Chinese market emergency in May has brought about the value dump at a similar speed, where the old coin flipped to 90 cents by late June. CRO value expectation Q4. The CRO cost took a negative disparity since the beginning of Q4. The old coin dealing with the upturn energy has flooded to 40 cents by sitting back high. The corrosive is by all accounts taking a load off after a gigantic run at present. The value seems, by all accounts, to be in revelation mode. In the event that, assuming the resource goes through a rectification, then it is relied upon to retest and unite around 50 cents for 2 or 3 days. Then again, assuming bulls hold the control, then the resource's cost would flood by another 150 to 200% in present moment. Assuming stages concoct weighty overhauls, then the resource would hit a greatest cost of $10. If there should be an occurrence of a negative snare, it would go through a weighty rectification of around $4. With a normal purchase and sell pressure, the CRO cost could close exchanging around $7 continuously's end. Master value expectation 2022. The advanced cash may affect the year 2022 with a trade worth of $15. The token could rise further assuming it centers around dispatching more items on its foundation, for example, subordinates sending out exchange history and some more. The cost may finish up the year 2022 with the exchanging cost of $34. CRO 5 years value forecast. Genius cost may accomplish another achievement in the following 5 years. It very well may be positioned among the best 10 monetary forms, assuming that it reliably views specific upgrades of its foundation and spotlights on offering straightforwardness for its applications. It may rival numerous other altcoins, engage more financial backers and clients. Before 5 years over, CRO is accepted to hit as high as $70. Genius market expectation. Wallet financial backer. According to Wallet financial backer expectations, CRO is gauged to hit a greatest cost of $230, least that would flip to $160. The token is relied upon to exchange at a normal cost of $200. Wallet financial backer expects Crypto.com to exchange at a normal cost of $300. In most extreme, cost expected is $400, least it would plunge back to $350 by 2025.